If you're looking to give your truck a new and aggressive look, then this Westin front bumper is exactly what you need. The Pro Series front bumper offers a rugged look to your truck, giving it a sleek and mean style. And it's not just aggressive. This bumper was engineered to work with your factory proximity sensors to keep you and your family safe. With a two-stage finish including an e-coat and a black textured finish, you will have protection for any condition. The Pro Series front bumper is made from a solid 10-gauge steel shell. This gives maximum protection both on the pavement and on the trails. And for those of us who like hitting the trails, this bumper is winch ready. The heavy-duty quarter-inch steel center can hold up to a 12,000-pound winch. That paired with a super winch is enough to get you out of most any situation with ease. And the recessed Hawes fair lead gives a better angle when approaching a steep drop or incline. In fact, this bumper was built with approach and ground clearance in mind. And for those times you're out and it gets dark while off-road, it has places for single or double row 20-inch LED light bar and a total of 4 cube lights. This is a bolt-on installation and it's pretty straightforward. Just remove your OE bumper and sensors and replace it with the Westin bumper. It also comes with all the mounting hardware that's needed. If you're interested in purchasing the Westin Pro Series front bumper or looking to have one installed, check out our store locator on the screen or in the description below. And be sure to subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.